Smart home made $370,000 extra profit. Normally, duplex sell for $2.69 million at Concord.
Pace when I'm running, I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing, I'm always thankful for.
Because of smart homes such as iPad in the kitchen. Because of smart light switch for the bedrooms. Mobile app to control different settings and schedule routines. In this video, I will show you the supplier detail and how to install. Step 1. Buy this dock to mount an iPad mini at the kitchen. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't miss the next video. In-wall installation. Place mounting template and mark cutout. Cut and remove wall opening. Connect low voltage charging cable. Remove faceplate. Install clamps. Place frame into wall. Tighten clamps. Connect iPad charging cable. Connect faceplate and insert. Insert your iPad. You can mount it as portrait orientation as the same as this house. Download Kasta app to the iPad. Step 2. Buy Hesperus Multivue smart switches from Kasta.com.au. Install smart switch to control pool area. Control the light of the master bedroom, walk-in wardrobe and joinery. Control the light of the hallway and upstairs bedrooms. Step 3. Connect Aircom to Smart Room System and the iPad. Step 4. Connect CCTV to the same network. Step 5. Connect all smart devices to a central location. Step 6. Connect kitchen iPad and all smart devices to Optus mobile internet. Buy Optus internet from Woolworth is cheapest way to establish smart home demo when you are selling the house. Use this cabinet to hide all those equipment. If you have any question, please leave your comment in below. See you next time. for watching.